Who pays for dental malpractice? The dentist or an insurer? Hi, my name is George Tate. I'm an attorney. I handle dental malpractice cases and have done so for the last 20 years or so. By law, all dentists in the state of Utah are required to carry malpractice insurance. That's insurance that kicks in when the dentist is sued and found liable or responsible for the damage he's caused as a result of his negligent act. A negligence is something that no ordinary dentist would do. Either he did something he wasn't supposed to do or failed to do something that he should have done. So the long answer short is that an insurance company will pay oftentimes when the dentist is guilty of negligence and causing harm as a result of dental malpractice. So we work closely with dental insurance companies every day. Negligence is some result that is not intended, that is a result of the dentist either doing something he wasn't supposed to do or failing to do something he should have done, based on a reasonable dentist, okay? So oftentimes that requires expert testimony, and almost always, in fact, always it requires expert testimony, depending where you are on the track of litigation. Now, I feel oftentimes sorry for the dentist. Dentists don't wake up in the morning and say, I'm going to commit negligence. But I gotta tell you, just like in the rest of the medical field, dentists are busy people. They see patients, they sedate a patient in one room, go to the next room, extract a couple of teeth, go back into that room, extract a tooth, go over here, do a filling, go over here, put in an implant, go over here, put on a crown. It happens. People get negligence. There's no difference between dental negligence and going through a red light at a stop sign or at an intersection or whatever. You know? I feel sorry for the dentist oftentimes. He doesn't mean it, but it happens. When I say he doesn't mean it, in an ordinary medical malpractice case, a dental malpractice case, the intent of the dentist doesn't matter. I don't think anybody gets up in the morning and says, hey, today I'm going to blow through a red light at the intersection. They're fiddling with their phones or they're mucking with the radio or whatever the case. But it's a momentary lapse of responsibility. They have people's lives in their hands. They have people that have paid them oftentimes $40,000, $50,000 to have their teeth fixed. And they're doing not one, but 5 cases at the same time. They get confused, things are busy, whatever the case, whatever the excuse, negligence happens. And when it happens, the insurer steps into the shoes of the dentist and oftentimes will pay the claim. You know, I'm not sure. I have to go back and check on the statute. I know all dentists are required to carry insurance. I just don't know how much. I think it's $1 million. At least that's typically what we see in our cases. Almost every dentist that we've sued, be it a dentist, orthodontist, periodontist, oral surgeon, whatever the case, they almost always carry $1 million worth of coverage. Medical malpractice coverage, that is. Anyways, if you need help answering questions, if you think you have a dental malpractice case, I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Reach out to us, call us, email us, whatever the case. Happy to help. Take care.